What is going on, everybody? Tech enthusiast here, and in this video I'm going to show you an app called AmbiOdin, which basically makes the RGB lighting mimic to what's on the screen, similar to Philips Hue, and I'll show you how that works. Okay, let's launch the app. Now if you don't have RGB enabled, make sure you turn that on, as this app doesn't have a function to turn on the RGB lights. So we have a few options available. Unlock the pro version. So the free version allows you to use the app for 10 minutes and you can restart it as many times as you want. If you like it, you can pay for the pro version. Then you can set the lights to random, can give feedback or join their Discord. Now I am using the beta version, so these modes aren't available as of making this video on the Play Store version, but they will come eventually. So I'm going to be using the Ambilight as default, and let's start it. So we're going to get this notification that it's going to be casting. Basically it needs to do this so it can capture the what's happening on the screen to mimic the lighting. Alright, so here I'm using Marvel vs. Capcom 2 just to see how the lighting works. So we're going to have different colors coming on the screen and the lights are going to change. Now I'm recording, I've got light showing onto the Odin, so it's not doing it real justice. Alright, now we're on the Super Mario 64 X co-op, and once again, because the light is shining onto the Odin 2 Pro, you can't really see the light changes, but here you can. And personally I think you should actually install the app and give it a try, and you can see how it works. And that's pretty much it really. I'm not sure what else I can really demonstrate other than you trying yourself. Anyway, if you have found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. So make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release my videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.